Compound butter is so easy to make. And Old Bay compound butter is one of the best kept secrets out there. It's absolutely wonderful when used on steak. Now this may seem like an odd pairing, but this is a good example of when the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. This combo yields a fabulous flavor profile. It makes my mouth water just talking about it. You need to start with 1 stick of softened unsalted butter and mix in 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. Add 1/2 teaspoon minced garlic and 1 squirt of lemon juice. Mix it thoroughly. Now scoop it out and place on plastic wrap. Wrap it up, shape it up, and refrigerate it to firm it up. Cut into usable slices, and now it's ready to exploit all your culinary senses. Use anywhere you need some extra flavor, and especially on your next pan-seared steak. Enjoy! Now all you got to do is hit that like button on your way out, consider subscribing, and remember that you heard it here at Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue.